Today, I'll show you how to create a customer invoice in bill.com. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger company, understanding how to generate invoices efficiently can make your financial processes much smoother and more organized. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the left-hand sidebar menu on your bill.com dashboard. This is your main control center, where you'll find all the options you need to manage your billing activities. The left-hand sidebar is thoughtfully designed to keep everything you need within easy reach, making navigation as straightforward as possible. Once you're in the sidebar, look for the tab labeled Invoices. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is your gateway to everything related to invoicing within bill.com. It's where you can view, manage, and create all your customer invoices. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this section will pay off in the long run, as you'll find it central to handling your billing tasks. Now, with the Invoices tab open, shift your focus to the top right section of the workspace screen. Here, you'll notice a blue button labeled Create Invoice. This button is your starting point for creating a new invoice. Click it to begin the process. This simple action opens up a new window where you can input all the necessary details for your invoice. Creating an invoice involves more than just listing a total amount. It's about ensuring all the relevant details are captured accurately. In this new window, you'll need to add key information such as the customer's name, contact information, the date of the invoice, and a detailed breakdown of the products or services provided. Make sure to include quantities, descriptions, and unit prices. Providing a detailed breakdown helps your customers understand exactly what they are paying for and can minimize any potential disputes or confusion. As you fill in these details, pay attention to accuracy. Double-check all the information you input, especially the numbers, to avoid any billing errors that might lead to delays in payment. Remember, a clear and concise invoice not only helps in faster processing, but also reflects professionalism. Once you've entered all the necessary details, you'll want to take a moment to review everything. This is your chance to ensure that all parts of the invoice are correct and that nothing important has been left out. Once you're satisfied with the information, the final step is to save your work. You'll find the Save button typically located at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your interface settings. Hitting Save ensures that your invoice is securely stored in your bill.com account, ready to be sent to your customer. It's always a good idea to keep a digital copy of the invoice for your records, just in case you need to reference it later. With bill.com, this is conveniently managed within your dashboard, allowing you to access and review past invoices at any time. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customer invoice in bill.com. By following these steps, you can streamline your invoicing process, helping you maintain a professional image and efficient cash flow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through this process a few times to get comfortable with it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your business operations.